Taking a look at a very cool food thermometer. This one is magnetic first off, so it's designed to stick on the side of your grill or your smoker, on the side of your oven or your refrigerator, and you've got it handy all the time. There's a cable on it that's long enough to keep the electronics away from the heat and to keep your probe in where it needs to be with the food, and it's a high temperature probe, of course. So it's got this holder on the side for the probe. Of course, clean it off before you put it in there. It opens up kind of like an old flip phone, and when you take a look at the top, you've got the current temperature, just the outside temperature. You've got the temperature of what you're cooking, and then you've got your timer. So as you can imagine, it runs off of a battery, a single AAA battery in there. You can set your temperature, you set your time, you set your thing to let you know when it's going to chirp at you. And just for reference, if you push this or turn this little knob here in the center, you've got some quick reference for internal temperatures of different types of meat and different types of food. So a really handy digital thermometer for the kitchen, for the barbecue, for the backyard, for the picnic, for the tailgate, and even for camping. So great gift idea, and hope this helps.